Well, hello everybody. This time I'm having my glasses on and I'm back in the Netherlands. So we were locked down last tutorial in India and we had the last flight back to the Netherlands where I am now. And the glasses is because I have an infection on the eye, so I cannot put my eye contacts in. But that's not why you're here. You're here to learn about ukulele mantras. And today I'm going to learn you the Om Tare Tuttare mantra from Deva Premal. So let's see what the chords are for this mantra. So the chords for the mantra are A minor, it's F, it's G, let me see, G, it's D minor, and E7. So I'm going to learn you this mantra fingerstyle picking and with the island strum. First I show you the fingerstyle picking. The fingerstyle picking that I'm using is the one I also used in the tutorial from the Gayatri mantra. It's the pluck 1, string 1 and 4. So pluck, string 2, 3, 2. Pluck, 2, 3, 2. Pluck, 2, 3, 2. Sometimes you see that I maybe add a few more strings, like pluck 2, 3, 2, 1. But I will show you if I do that, and I will cut everything in pieces so you know how to play it. So Om Tare Tuttare, fingerstyle and island strum. Sometimes I do the chuck. But let's start with fingerstyle. Om Tare Tuttare Ture Swaha 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 Swaha Om Tare Tuttare Ture 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 Swaha. So as you saw in the playing, I sometimes add the strings as I told you, but we start with the basics. If you have the basics in your fingertips, then you can add more extra vibes on the strings. But first we do the basics. So get on position A minor. And as I told you, the pattern is pluck, 2, 3, 2. So 1, 2, 3, 4. Om, and then you pluck. Tare, F, tu tare, G, Ture, A minor, Swaha, D minor, Om Tare, E7, Tuttare, F, Ture, Swaha. So on all the chords you do the same, pluck, 2, 3, 2. What I do, and when you are more advanced and you have this fingerstyle picking in your fingers, you know the basic pattern, then you can add this extra feeling vibes that you can hear if it's nice. For example, Om, pluck, 2, 3, 2, 1, 2, 3, 2, pluck, 2, 3, 2, 1, 2, 3, 2, G, Re, A minor, Swaha, pluck, 2, 3, 2, 1, 2, 3, 2. You see, so you can play a little bit. First do the basics, that's the beginning, okay? I do the basic with you once more. 1, 2, 3, 4. A minor, Om Tare, F, Tuttare, G, Ture, Swaha, D minor, Om Tare, E7, Tuttare, F, Ture, Swaha. And I end then Swaha, pluck, 2, 3, 2, 1, 2, 3, 2. Island strum. The island strum you already know if you watch my tutorials, and it's always down, down, up, down, down, up, down, up. So for the Om Tare Tuttare mantra, it's then same A minor. Are you ready? 1, 2, 3, 4. Om Tare, to F, to G, to A minor, to D minor, to E7, to F, and A minor. Now with lyrics. Om Tare, Tuttare, Ture, Swaha. Om Tare, Tuttare, Ture, Swaha. Now, as you heard, I played the chuk. If you want to learn the chuk, I will advise you to look on YouTube Cynthia Lynn Chuk. She is a perfect teacher. I started my ukulele playing with her tutorials, and Cynthia Lynn has this chuk video where she learns how you can chuck your strings. I do it with down, down, a chuck, up, chuck, up. So I will sing it with the chuk, and then you hear what I do. Om cha. No, wait, that's not good. Doot, 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 doot. Okay, let's start again. 1, 2, 3, 4. Om Tare, Tuttare, Ture, Swaha. Om Tare, Tuttare, Ture, Swaha. What I also did with the first part is Om Tare Tuttare Ture Swaha. Om Tare Tuttare Ture Swaha. Knock, knock. And then you can repeat it again. So the first part of this mantra, Om Tare Tuttare Ture Swaha, where you have A minor, F, G, A minor, you can also repeat it. It's also very nice. And then you can make this whole circle that I made, you know, which I started with, which I'm going to end with as well. And I hope you learned a lot from this tutorial. It's a lot in short time, but I'm sure you can do it. And I have all the faith and trust in you. So show me your videos, please. I'm really looking forward to see how you're playing. And I hope you're well. I hope your family is well. you're in good health, and stay tuned in, okay? So to end this tutorial, I'm going to play again the whole circle. Om Tare Tuttare Ture Swaha. 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 Om Tare Tuttare Ture Swaha.